Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use empow's elastic-based open source module to hunt attacker intent. In this quick guide, I'll show you how easy it is to hunt for threats through security logs in Kibana using empow's new open source plugin. In a single look at the dashboard, I can find out my most compromised and compromising entities inside and outside of my network. These are represented as victims and performers, as you can see right here. In the second half of the screen, I can learn about the different attacker techniques detected by my own security devices. Empow basically interprets my logs through an adaptive NLP classification process into a common attacker-like language, which we like to call attacker intent language. And it helps me understand where on the cyber key chain each of the attacker's steps is located, including the tactics and techniques that are used by the attacker to carry out his malicious intent. Now I'm gonna click right here. And just like that, I can discover how this asset of mine was attacked. Without deep diving into details and further research, I can already get a sense of the nature of the attack. These indications come from different security services and different security alerts, but all are automatically classified by empow's classification engine and identify the relation of the same intent of the attacker. I can see this host was attempted to be hacked by an external source, like you can see right here. And more specifically, was a victim to SQL injection and denial of service attempts. This is most likely a server that is exposed to the internet and is vulnerable to this kind of attacks. Now, investigating this case can be so much easier, and protecting my assets becomes so much quicker and more effective.